Hey guys, it's your boy Papa Fix It here. I just want to do a quick video on one of my forever trucks. This is my 2005 Dodge Ram Cummins 2500 4x4, 6-speed of course. So yeah, I just want to take a look at this truck. I picked this truck up from an estate sale down in Maryland. Had about 185,000 miles on it when I bought it. No idea what all the guy did to it other than exhaust and cold air intake. I've got some bully dog stickers on it. I don't know if it's actually tuned or not. It looks like it had something on it and removed. But yeah, so here's my truck. It's pretty clean. I've replaced the bed. The original bed wasn't rusty, but it had some dents in it and they didn't pull out to my liking. But it's pretty clean. It doesn't have any of that rocker rust that a lot of Dodges get. It doesn't have the door rust. I'll crawl underneath it here in a minute. But I love this truck. Got the 4th gen seats fitted in. Got a 10-inch flea bay camera there. Well, got the backup camera, got the dash cam, got the screen to show all that stuff, and Bluetooth. 6-speed. This thing moves pretty good. It definitely hauls ass. It pulls a trailer like nothing. I love the upgraded seats, the manual 4th gen seats. Think about getting some leathers, maybe some Longhorn. We'll see. I get a bunch of trucks through Copart, so eventually I'll get something worth swapping in. I had a sub amp capacitor, got cables and tow stuff, chalk block because it's a manual and I don't trust it to not roll. Oh yeah, here she is, sitting on 315 Firestone Destination ATs. I like them. This, to be honest, I mean, it's a diesel truck. People that want to pretend diesel trucks are for off-roading are kind of silly. These things just sink straight in the mud. Doesn't matter how wide your tires are. This thing's leaving ruts up in the yard. I don't use it to put firewood on the fire pit or anything. Use a gasser for that. Motor's just too dang heavy. But she's pretty clean. I think this one was lifted. I think these are aftermarket coils. Compared to the other ones I've had, even with the same tire size, like the one back there, it sits 2 or 3 inches higher. So this one was at least leveled. A little bit of sunspots starting on the paint, but no rust is the big thing. Snagged these wheels and tires off one of the Copart trucks. Came in and had like just about brand new tires, so I was pretty happy about that. Needed to clean this truck up though. It's been sitting outside. Got the typical Dodge door rub there. You see that a lot. A little bit of dent, but nothing as far as rust. Door's good. Jams in here good again too. Got the camper shell on the back that I need to take off and paint. Got my air fill-ups for my airbags in there. I just noticed this today. Got the first starts of rust bubbles, so I'm gonna get on those. I don't want them to get anywhere. Got the backup camera, got the truck nuts. You gotta have truck nuts. What are you even doing if you got Cummins and no truck nuts? Figure it out. In the back I got this set up. This is, in addition to the tow rig, this is also my camping rig. My boy and I'll go to races and whatnot and get the air mattress set up here. We got a nice camper fan in the back. You can get it buzzing back here with the air. Have a nice mosquito net set up over the back, and it's comfortable camping. So yeah, nice 8-foot bed. I mean, if you're gonna have a truck, you should have an 8-foot bed, right? If you're gonna have multiple trucks, they should all have 8-foot beds. Anyway, let's hop underneath this thing, see what she looks like. Oh, there's the light down there. So we'll start where the light is. Oh, I don't fit under here. So I just got done with the camera install. I need to finish, well, done. I need to finish my heat shrinking and tying stuff up. Let's see. This bed was cut for a 5th wheel. I'm thinking about adding that back in actually. Got my airbags. Let's see. So, wiring for the sub. You can see the frame is super clean. I love this thing. I picked this truck up a couple years ago for less than $10,000 from an estate sale. They had it listed as a 6-cylinder. They had no idea what the hell it was. They had it listed for $4,500, and I messaged them right away and I said, "You guys got that all wrong. It's definitely not what you think it is. You're probably getting bombarded right now. I'd gladly pay you double your price." And they did that. So that was pretty sweet. I got a truck I'd been looking for a long time. It's so hard to find a rust-free Cummins, especially 4x4 manual. And I really wanted the crew cab long bed. I would have settled for a short bed, but whew, I wanted some truck here, and I got some truck. Yeah, check her out. All right. As far as power, I have no idea what this thing is making. I believe it has some sort of tune. It has Bully Dog stickers on it. I really need to take this thing, get it flashed back to stock, and then get a Smarty or something on it so I can be a little more in control of what it's doing. But this truck does not get very many miles. I just use it to go to Copart, go camping, stuff like that. I don't know if you'd believe this or not, but a big truck's a little bit unwieldy driving around town, so I typically take one of the smaller ones into town. This one's nice when you need to go get sheets of plywood or anything heavy and big. It does that. Word, so that's my truck. I love it. Maybe I'll get another one. Kind of wouldn't mind having the same truck in short bed. I think that'd be pretty sweet. I really love the manual Cummins combo. You never have too many trucks, right? Always keep an eye out for more Cummins. Alright guys, well there's another video. Hope you guys like checking out my truck. Maybe I'll do some other walk around trucks. Just did a video on how to do the backup camera on this. I'll have some other videos, how-to stuff, and just looking at what I got. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Take her easy.